How to prevent arthritis in dogs. Arthritis is a condition that can affect your dog's joints, making it uncomfortable and difficult for it to move. There is no cure for arthritis once it develops. The best way to deal with arthritis in your dog is to prevent it from developing in the first place. Thankfully, there are a few steps you can take to reduce the risk of your dog developing arthritis and keep it happy and healthy. Method 1. Feeding your dog well. 1. Learn how much to feed your dog. Dogs that are overweight are at a higher risk of developing arthritis. Carrying extra body weight will place extra stress on the joints and bones of your dog, possibly resulting in arthritis. Make sure you are feeding your dog a healthy amount of food and that its appropriate weight is maintained. The amount of food that you feed your dog will be based on its size and activity levels. Older dogs may not need to eat as much as younger dogs. Exactly how much you need to feed your dog will be unique to your specific dog. Talk with your veterinarian to learn more. 2. Avoid offering too many treats or giving in to begging. Although it can be hard to say no to a dog looking for a treat, holding back is actually a better idea. By controlling your dog's level of food intake, you will help prevent it from becoming overweight and lower its chances of developing arthritis. Always make your dog's meal times exact and controlled to help keep your dog lean and healthy. Only feed your dog at meal times. Avoid using too many treats when training your dog. Treats used for training should be very small, being just large enough to give your dog a taste. 3. Try offering supplements. Some studies have shown that certain dietary supplements may help in the fight against diabetes. These supplements are believed to target joint health, restore lost cartilage and hold back the symptoms of arthritis. Try providing some of these supplements to your dog to help prevent arthritis. Glucosamine. Fatty acids, such as omega-3 fatty acid. Method 2. Caring for your dog. 1. Create a comfortable environment for your dog. Stress on joints is a contributing factor to the development of arthritis in dogs. Your dog's home environment may be tough on its joints, increasing the risk of arthritis. Make sure you are helping your dog to care for its joints in your home and daily life. Bare floors can be slippery for your dog to walk on and can cause joint stress. Make sure you provide some carpeting for them to walk on. Jumping in and out of cars, beds, or other areas around the house can hurt joints. Try providing a small ramp for your dog to use instead. Raised food and water bowls can make it easier for your dog to eat and drink. 2. Provide plenty of exercise for your dog. Giving your dog regular exercise can help prevent arthritis from developing later in its life. Exercise can help keep your dog strong and avoid injuries that could turn into a case of arthritis. Regular activity can also help cut down on your dog's body weight, reducing stress on its joints. Always make sure you're going for plenty of walks and getting in some good play time to help keep arthritis at bay. Taking your dog for a swim can be a great low-impact form of exercise. Try going for regular walks with your dog. Playing fetch is a classic way for your dog to get in some good running. Always stop exercise if your dog looks tired, starts dragging or shows signs of discomfort or pain. 3. Avoid over-exercising your dog. Although regular exercise will improve the health of your dog, it can have too much of a good thing. Exercising too much or too intensely will be stressful on your dog's joints and may even cause injuries. Stress and injuries will make it more likely that your dog will develop arthritis later on in its life. Always monitor your dog's activity levels and make sure they are getting in a safe amount of exercise. Injuries and overexertion will increase the chances of arthritis occurring in your dog. A dog that sits around all week and plays hard only on the weekend is at risk for exercise-related injury. Exercise should stop if your dog looks tired, sore, or in pain. Overdoing exercise on a daily basis will also increase the chances of an injury occurring. 4. Keep your dog's nails trimmed. A simple way that you can help keep your dog arthritis-free is to trim its nails regularly. Nails that are too long may cause your dog to walk differently than it normally would, subtly adding more stress to their joints. This stress can result in an increased risk of arthritis. Regularly trim your dog's nails to help keep its gait natural and prevent arthritis. You can trim your dog's nails at home with a pair of specially designed dog nail clippers. Your vet will help you trim your dog's nails if you are unsure of how to do so. Many professional pet grooming services will trim your dog's nails for you. Method 3: Understanding arthritis in dogs. 1. Learn what the risk factors are. Knowing what will make your dog more likely to develop arthritis is critical. Once you are aware of the factors that can cause arthritis in your dog, you can start working to avoid them. Take a look at some of these common risk factors that may cause your dog to develop arthritis. Stress on joints, being overweight, injuries, aging, genetic factors. 2. Keep an eye out for symptoms. Arthritis is a condition that is best treated early on. Since it cannot be cured, arthritis will need to be managed and prevented from worsening. Catching the symptoms of arthritis early on can go a long way in keeping your dog comfortable later in life. Check out some of these common symptoms of arthritis in dogs to help you spot any arthritis trouble in your own dog. Stiffness, dragging an arm or leg or using some limbs more than others. Signs of pain, inflexible joints, being nervous about jumping up or climbing down stairs or steps. 3. Talk with your veterinarian. If you suspect that your dog has arthritis or want to learn more about how to prevent it, speak with your veterinarian. Your veterinarian will be able to suggest methods that you can use to help keep your dog healthy and happy. They may also be able to prescribe certain medications and treatments that could prevent the worsening of any arthritis symptoms that may already be present. Talk with your veterinarian to learn more about dealing with arthritis in your dog.